Hey guys, I am here with my fitness planner to film my third fitness plan with me for the month of August. If you follow me on Instagram or Snapchat, you know that I broke one of the light bulbs for my lighting. Excuse me. So I can't use my lighting, and I have been running around doing errands all day, and now it's like 5:45 and the natural light is fading. Plus it was like pouring rain all day. Now it's cleared up a little bit, but of course the whole time I was out running errands it was pouring rain. And I'm going to be using the Scribble Prince Co. subscription. I think this was her first one, and I've been saving this for forever. But I'm going to go ahead and I won't be using like anything from that or anything. I might use those, or I might just use my planner Kate. So I will be using these and this and the bottom washi, the deco, and the heart checklists. So I also have my planner Kate sidebar stickers. So I'll be using miles, my habits. I actually might do uploads on half boxes on the bottom because I do have the half boxes and it's a small piece of bottom washi, so that would fix my problem. So maybe I'll do water on the side. And I'm just going to be doing all of this light green here. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get started because I have like 10 minutes to do this before it's too dark and this whole thing just turns blue and wacky. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started with putting down my heart checklists. I was doing some meal prep for breakfasts and lunches for this week, and I made a pumpkin spice granola from Sally's Baking Addiction, and I accidentally left it in for a couple minutes too long. I was doing too many things at once and it burned. I should have been checking on it because my oven is uneven. It heats unevenly, and like part of like the back left corner on both trays was burned. It's my fault for not like checking on it. I know better than that. But it's a little toasty, but it's still okay. It's still edible. I almost said eatable, and then I'm like, eatable is not a word. My goodness. So let's do bottom washi real quick. At least with my plan with me's like this, I don't have to think too much. I'm actually going to put this on the bottom. I don't have to think very hard for my fitness plan with me's because it's the exact same every week. I already wrote out my workouts like I've been doing. And I worked out. Oh, this one's a little short. But I've been working out, and then I'll go ahead and put these down. I'll do this one here. That is too far to the left. My goodness, I'm not going to be able to get this on straight, am I? But what was I saying? I worked out. I'm going to work out tonight. I don't know if I'm going to run. I might just walk because I'm pretty tired. I've been running around doing errands all day. And we went to church this morning and I didn't have time to work out because I slept in. I got like a ton of sleep. I fell asleep at like 9:30 last night. And then I woke up at like 9 o'clock this morning. I was awake for like an hour between 4:30 and 5:30, I think. But fell back asleep and got some more beautiful rest. But my legs are tired too. I don't know, or I might just do more yoga and not run because I really do not want to run. So there we go. And then I'm going to put the quote box up in the corner here. Why did I put my heart checklists up there? I did this like I was doing a oh my gosh. Guys, why didn't you stop me? Normally I put my fitness on top with the full boxes. Oh man, I bet all of you are like yelling at the screen. Do I normally line it up with this edge? I don't know, but that's what I'm lining it up with today, so actually I think I usually line it up with the other side, but whatever. Apparently this is just the crazy plan with me. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this one. I bet it's getting real dark on that screen. Oh, I'm gonna have to color correct the hell out of this. This is so blue. I even just put it on like auto white balance because I didn't want to mess with it, just because my lighting wouldn't be consistent throughout this. But don't think it helped. And then I'm just gonna use the piece of the pattern washi because everything else was solid on this kit. So we want the pattern there. Alright, so then I can go ahead and write down what I normally do, which is my workout. I should have done this before. Workout. TIU check-in, which I haven't been doing. But I have been tracking my calories on my MyFitnessPal, and that's going well. Then vitamin D and Instagram. Okay, well now that meals is up here, I guess I'll do fitness and YouTube. I'm gonna do, I think I might skip the pink marijuana looking one. So am I the only person that thinks that's what it looks like? Because it's kind of what it looks like. I mean, it's sort of in there too, but with all the other patterns. It looks like flamingos and marijuana. So funny. Oh, that's all I'm gonna think this whole week. It's like, this is my tropical marijuana spray. Oh, I'm losing my mind. Okay. Guys, I'm like have my face in my hands right now. I'm in the process of can't evening right now. I just, oh boy. If this is your first time watching me, hello, I'm Samantha and I'm special. So, let's put this down. This can be like Snoop Dogg meets Jimmy Buffett. How about that? Let's put that one there. I kind of might use this pink one just because I don't have any pink anywhere else. And I'll skip over that solid green one. So we'll do that. And then I want to do heart checklists. yeah, so I was meal prepping. I made soup for lunch. I got the plated cookbook from the library. I was at work, like removing the new stickers from items that weren't new anymore, because we only keep like the last 3 months of items on, like, in the new section. So I was pulling stuff from the spring, and the plated cookbook was there, and I ended up checking it out, and it looks really yummy, but I will say the portion sizes are totally weird. Like, they're huge portion sizes. So they have like a seasonal roasted vegetable soup, which I really like in the cookbook. It has, for like, I'd say over half the recipes, if not 3/4 of the recipes, there's seasonal options. So if there's a salsa, it'll be like different seasonal fruits or veggies in the salsa, or for the soup, it's different seasonal roasted vegetables, which keeps it more cost effective and makes recipes work year round, or like produce centric recipes work year round. So I made the roasted vegetable soup, the summer one that has like roasted zucchini and corn. And then let me put my fitness headers down. Let me pull them off this one first. And it said it made 2 servings. I didn't make the croutons with it. I'm gonna like fry up some bacon and top it with like a slice of crumbled bacon, maybe a pinch of cheese, because with the corn, I like corn and cheese and bacon, those flavors together. But they're huge. I have like 4 huge bowls of soup out of that pot, and it said it served 2. I cannot physically imagine putting that volume of liquid into my stomach. Like, it was a huge pot of soup. And I noticed that, like, for their seasonal pizza, it was like a pound of pizza dough serves 2 people. And I'm like, I put the calories into my fitness pal, because I'm like, it was like over 1,000 calories a person or something. And I was like, why? It wasn't like it was just like, why? Like, this is not a reasonable portion. So, it was like, definitely like 6 servings, ended up being like 200 and some calories a slice, which was like normal, and that would be a pretty big slice of pizza for like a whole pound of pizza dough. I'm like, I just don't understand the servings here. Okay, I need to put my headers down. It is so dark. Let's click this up. Oh, that's too bright if I click it up. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put these down while I keep rambling. But the recipes look really good. There are these French pork chops that are like glazed, and then there's peaches, and then an arugula Dijon salad, and that's seasonal too, like what you add to the pork. But I went and asked like the butcher at my grocery store, who's an older guy, and he's like helped me out before. I asked him if he could French 2 of the pork chops, and he was like, what? I've been doing this for 30 years and no one's ever asked me to do that. Like, what does that even mean? He's like French, like a rack of lamb. And I'm like, yeah, it's the same thing. Frenching is where you like bone in like pork chops or like a lamb chop or something. You cut like the cartilage and stuff off of the bone just for like a prettier presentation. And he like gave me so much sass. I pulled up a picture on my phone, which I was more than happy to do, but he was like kind of rude to me. And I was like, I have no problem pulling up a picture, but he was like kind of making fun of me, and I don't like talking to people. Like, going up to someone in a store and asking them questions is hard enough for me anyways, because I just feel awkward doing it. I should probably do this on top of the heart checklist. It just made me feel really uncomfortable, and, you know, I like hate having to deal with people anyways. But I got my French pork chops. I showed him a picture and he did it, and I'm looking forward to that. And what else? What else am I making this week? I have like a leftover half box of pasta, so I'm making the Damn Delicious one pot garlic, like creamy garlic pasta. There's no actual cream in it, it's milk. It's not the healthiest thing in the whole wide world, but I really enjoy it, and if I'm gonna spend my calories on pasta, that's the pasta I want to be eating. So for breakfast, I made a big ol' stack of protein pancakes and then my burnt granola, and I like granola with almond milk and some fresh fruit, or on top of Greek yogurt for some crunch. And for snacks at work, I pretty much have a Greek yogurt cup every morning as my AM snack, which is what I was doing even when I subbed. I would take yogurt with me for like a morning snack, but just because I don't want to have to pre-package like my own yogurt stuff, it's just something, it's like not worth the time for me. I really like the Chobani, the 100 calorie flips. So, okay, I just have to add my fitness stuff. My fitness stuff. Alright, where did I put my things? I don't know. Okay, here we go. So I'm actually going to start backwards because I still have the thing pulled up on my phone. And Saturday and Sunday. I so don't want to go run. I might even just do like a video or something. I don't know. I'm really not in the mood to run right now. I'm in the mood to do yoga though. Yep. There isn't as much cardio this week. There's only, I don't mind doing HIIT. That's usually not where I'm like, I want to do cardio. But there's two 40-minute sessions and then like 2 walks, and like walking doesn't usually, I'll like pretty much always do that. And then the Sunday run day. I used to be like all cardio all the time, and lately I've just been craving yoga and like lifting stuff and body weight stuff. So like HIIT has been fine, but just have no desire whatsoever. I don't know, I like went for a run and had fun last weekend, but I ran once this week, and I ran twice, and one of the times I ran, I was wondering, like, I really didn't want to run, and I made myself go do it before work, and I was like, why is this so hard? I even, like, turned down, I've been running, like, about an 11-minute pace. I can run, like, 1 mile at a 10-minute pace, but if I'm running more miles, I slow it down, and I even turned it down to, like, 5.2 on the treadmill because I was like struggling, and then I realized, I'm not kidding you, like halfway through my run that the incline was on, and I don't know how I didn't notice the incline was on, but it had been on, and I'd been like running uphill the whole time, and that's why I was like 15 minutes into this run and I'm like, why is this so hard? This isn't this hard normally. And it was just because I'm kind of an idiot and didn't realize the incline was up, and I felt so dumb that it took me, it was like 17 minutes into my run. So the last few minutes weren't so bad. Okay, so then that's everything for this. I just want to put some deco down. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Where do I want to put this flamingo? I feel like there's got to be a place for him because he's fabulous. Maybe because I usually don't post videos on Saturday, so I don't really have much to do on Friday and stuff. Maybe I'll put him there. I like this guy, little cockatoo. He's cute. That's the problem with big deco, is trying to find spots for it. I'm just going to cover up part of YouTube. That's cool, right? I'll put him down here. And then I'll put like a couple of these guys up here. And then put like the leaves all up on this. I'll break that up. Little deco like this is easier to work with. It's fine if there's like one or two big pieces, but when there's a lot, and honestly, I'm not going to put these leaves on there. Alrighty. So this is the finished spread. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry that I'm like a hot mess this week, but yeah, check back or watch my videos from earlier in this week for better lighting. And then I did order more light bulbs, which cost an arm and a leg, but I ordered more light bulbs for the lighting thing, and I'll be filming my second mock plan with me with actual lighting, so it won't look like a dark blue mess. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.